Hey guys, Gary Box here. So I wanted to do an unboxing for you. I just got something in today and it's like, oh my God, this little thing is amazing. So this is a Godox MA5R. MA5R. It's a small little LED panel. I got it from MoLight. They're not very expensive. They're only $49, but let's open this baby up and take a look at it here. So here we go. It's got a USB charging cord in there. It comes with a little silicone diffuser. Let's take the packing foam out of it, like that to diffuse it. But it's a small little LED panel. So what? There's a lot of little LED panels out there, but let's talk a little bit about this one. So first of all, it's got a pretty broad range. It goes pretty darn bright. That's at 100%, and it'll drop all the way down to 0. Okay. But it's bicolor, which means you can adjust the warmth of your light, and it has a wider bicolor range than I think any other light that I own. So let's take a look at that. So right now we're at 5,000 Kelvin. So I'm looking at the little bitty screen on the back. 5,000 Kelvin, and it will go up all the way. Most of them only go to about 6,500. This one goes to 10,000 Kelvin. So if you're in really cool light, it's pretty blue. It's very pretty impressive. And it goes down, most of them will go down to about 3,200K. This one goes down to 1,800K. So I mean, you could use this like with candlelight or something like that. So a really broad range. And then it also allows you to adjust your hue, which is like, oh, now that's kind of different on a small light. So we can basically take it a little bit to the green side. Great if you're like maybe under fluorescent or anything, or you can take it a little bit to the magenta side. So you've got some pretty phenomenal color control out of it. So, all right, it's a great little light. No big deal, right? All right, why am I in love with it? If you have a MagSafe phone, check that out. It just clips right onto your phone. So if you are shooting like behind the scenes videos, taking pictures, anything like that, this little baby is going to be awesome. If you're working outside, it'll help knock down your shadows, turn that baby up, and it should do great. If you're working inside, it'll do a good job as well. And it's also a wireless MagSafe charger. So it doubles as a power bank if your phone's going dead. So there's a lot packed into this little bitty guy for only $49. Now, I got 2 of them today. This is one. The other one is actually on the camera. So I thought I'd put it to the test. And I put my white shirt on a white background in a completely dark room, and the only illumination is one of these little guys attached to the phone. So it doesn't do a half bad job for something like that. I thought I'd just kind of give it a little bit of a torture test and see how it does. And it looks pretty darn good to me. So anyway, great little toy. I thought you guys might enjoy it. And you probably should pick one of these guys up. Only $49 at gomolight.com. See ya.